many times have you been the person everyone makes fun of after sleeping over? Snoring affects how people see you. Road trips become awkward. Sleepovers turn into jokes. But here's what most people don't realize. This is actually fixable. Start now. Stay hydrated during the day. Use a nasal rinse before bed. Dehydration thickens mucus and blocks airways. It's that simple. Some people reduce snoring by 30 to 40% with just this one change. Give it a week. Track the difference. You'll know if it's working. If basic solutions aren't enough, many people turn to a breathing support mouthpiece during sleep. VitalSleep is one option people often mention. Many people reduce snoring faster with VitalSleep. See pinned comment.